Attention-grabbing hook. Hi there. You know that feeling you get when someone asks for help with their health, diet, or stress management? It's like a calling. And guess what? As a nurse, you're already equipped to do that. Today, I'm going to show you how turning your nursing skills into a side hustle can be an easy and profitable career move. Brief intro. In today's video, we're going to learn 5 practical and actionable steps on how to turn your nursing experience into a thriving nurse life coaching business at home. You will discover the foundation of what it takes to get started, including strategies for marketing, pricing, building your online presence, creating valuable content, and even setting up a successful virtual practice. Tip 1. Identify your niche. First things first, let's find out where you can stand out as a life coach. Nursing is broad, so we need to narrow it down. Think about what specific areas of health or wellness are the most in demand for your patients and community. For instance, if many of your hospital clients struggle with anxiety or depression, that's an area you could offer specialized coaching on. This will make you more unique and marketable. Tip 2. Build your online presence. Next up, we need to put a spotlight on our brand, create a professional website, set up a social media presence through platforms like Instagram, LinkedIn, and Facebook. Invest in decent photography and video equipment so your clients can see the quality of work you offer. Start sharing valuable content that positions your expertise as a life coach, such as articles or podcasts about health trends, nutrition tips, stress management techniques, etc. Tip 3. Set competitive prices. Pricing is crucial. It's how much you charge for your services without coming off too expensive to potential clients. In the nursing field, the average consulting fee could range from $50 to $100 per hour. But remember, this varies based on demand and location. If you're flexible with timing, evening or weekends, consider offering a discount as well. Tip 4. Effective marketing strategies. Now it's time to put all that hard work into action. Reach out to your current hospital patients by sending them emails or even direct messages, inviting them to book sessions with you. You can also use digital marketing tactics like search engine optimization, SEO, Google Ads, and email campaigns. Create valuable content for free to start gaining their trust before moving on to paid services. Tip 5. Virtual practice setup. Finally, let's talk about setting up your online practice. Use a platform like Zoom or Skype so you can conduct sessions remotely. Make sure it has good audio and visual capabilities. If necessary, get permission from your hospital supervisor to use your company email for communications with clients. Always keep patient confidentiality in mind. Closing CTA. By the end of this tutorial, not only will you have a clear path forward, but also all the tools needed to earn extra money while helping others improve their lives. For those of you ready to take that next step, I'd love to hear which tip resonated with you most. Leave your thoughts in the comments below and subscribe for more content on side hustles like this one. Side hustle #NurseLifeCoach #passive income.